Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a great morning and you're ready to get started on your e-learning day. So I'm just here real quick to pop in and go over the directions. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Please remember that I'm at a meeting in the morning and in the afternoon, but I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. So you're going to log into our Google Classroom like we practiced in class, and then you'll go, I think the easiest way is to go to this tab called Classwork. And then you'll find, if you slide down just a wee bit, in here is, oops, sorry, I don't have my mouse. If you slide down here to the e-learning day, everything is listed in by subject. So you have 4 subjects to do on your e-learning day. The first one here is Science and Social Studies. There's a short brain pop to watch about natural resources. And then there's a quick Google form to make sure you understood the video. That ties in with our study of Indiana history and science. Then for reading, you'll start by reading for 20 minutes. On this page, I have a silent reading Google form. You can even use the timer on there, and I just asked you to fill out a couple questions to prove to me that you read. Then the second job is your practice. You're going to read an article called John Harrington, the First Native American Astronaut. You'll use ReadWorks for that, so click on the link. That one asks you some questions about your reading, and then it has you find the main idea. So remember our tricks for that. And then you can go on to Quizlet, and when you click on there, there's the slides, and there's some typing games and some different things. If you go on here, I'll show you on Quizlet. These are the vocab cards, so you can practice our vocabulary words, and I put some silly pictures on there to help you. And you can play the games, or you can just look through them, kind of up to you. But remember, our vocabulary words are really important. So that's just kind of, that one you don't have to turn anything, you just do it on your own. Then for math, there's a daily review over place value and all that good stuff we've worked on. And then we have a short study jam for you to refresh subtraction with regrouping. And then Mrs. Sikoski made me these really cool slides for you to practice adding. And there's just a couple on here for you to solve. You can do them on notebook paper, and you can just type the answer in the box. And that is your subtraction and addition practice. Notice on the subtraction, she even gave you some bars if you need to regroup. So you can click them over if you want to regroup. You wouldn't do when you do 3 minus 1. But then when you go to the tens place, you have 6 tens, but you need 8. So you might have to regroup from that 8 so you can actually cross it out and move them over there. It's kind of fun. Just a little practice to make sure you're staying fresh on your subtraction on your e-learning day. And then the last one is totally your choice. You get to pick. You could, choice 1 is to take your spelling words, which I have a list of them here. You're going to type them in sentences. You only have to pick 10 of them. You can type 10 sentences. The second choice is you could take a practice test on a piece of paper and write any that you missed twice. The third one is you can pull up a Google Doc, which I shared a blank one here, and type your words 3 times. And if you're like me and you like paper, you can just get out a piece of paper and use any tool at your house, maybe use markers or gel pens like I like, and you just write the words 3 times. So those are your choices. That one's just wanting you to practice. So if you guys get through all of that, that'll be a good e-learning day. If you need me, send me that email. If you have any questions, let me know. And if something doesn't work for some reason, please don't panic. We can fix it the next day. It won't be a big deal. But I'm really proud of you and thank you for logging in. I hope your day's great and I hope you get to go outside and have some fun. So I will see you.